Hey guys, welcome to Bravo Connection. Today we have a 2014 Honda Accord. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light for this vehicle. Now this one's actually not exactly due yet, although the customer did want it done early. So what you're going to be doing is basically pressing this button right here, and you scroll through the menu here in the cluster, and then what you want to get to is the oil life. Once you get there, go ahead and hold the button down for a few more seconds. You're going to see the light start flashing. Okay, it's flashing now. Let go of the button, and then now you're going to hold it one more time. And there we go, 100%. Now you can let go of the button. That's pretty much it. You can go ahead and press the button, put it back in the section where you had it before, and that's it. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe. Catch you next time. Take care.